Hello, my name is Anil and I will go over the new application deployment view in digital.ai release capability. As a part of our cloud native journey to enhance user experience, we are launching new application deployment view in release. It has the ability to provide an overarching live deployment status from multiple deployment sources across regions and data centers. It has a smart filtering to fetch and present data that helps in identifying and preventing failures of an application deployments. We are also providing a wizard that provides an easy to set up and auto configure. Let's go over the demo. So this is the release I have. Let me go into the application deployment view and let's click on the application deployment view. So right now, if you see, I don't have any applications or anything in this screen. Let's go ahead and discover one of the server and see what happens. So this is a Argo CD application that is running on Asia Pac region, which is hosted on EKS cluster. If you see here, once I connect my connection to the Argo CD, it gives me all the project details that I have in the Argo CD. I can select, and based on the selection, you can see, let's see what happens once I select the Discover application. So if you see, based on my selection, you get to see the guestbook dev, all the applications that are running on the server, you see that in the list. Let's go ahead and discover another server, deploy, and now see what happens. So you can see that I got connected. Not only connected, it also lists me all the applications that I have in the server. So let's go select few of them and see what happens. So if you see here right now, it'll give me the details of all the applications from both the servers. If you see, one from Argo and one from the deploy. Basically, if you see here, it gives me the application name, gives me the environment details, it gives me the version, the status. So the environment is the where the server is where the application is hosted on. The version in the deploy is the package version, and in the Argo it is the source code. We'll come to that. And the status is either it is in executed state, done, or it's in progress status. So its statuses will change as we go through that. Let's go and find an application. I will choose guestbook for this demo. So if you see, I have the guestbook dev demo here. It is running in cluster guestbook dev as environment, and this is the hash code of the server. If I hover over that, it'll give me the details of the full details of the hash code of the Git. Let's go ahead and open and see what happens. It'll directly take me to the application dashboard here. If you see here, right now it is running on this head. This is the Git version of that, 935957. Let me do a quick commit, an offline commit. So it'll show that the Git or this specific application is out of sync. Let's sync and see what happens. It'll give me out of sync. If you see here, the new branch is 17.6b, which is being sunk, and if you see, the deployments are currently going through that. Let's wait for the sync to complete. Now if you see, the sync has been completed on the application guestbook. Let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go back to the view and see what happened here, and let's do a sync of it. Let's see if the version got changed, updated on here. If you see, the new status got updated, and it gives me the seconds also. It got updated in few seconds. The same way we can do it for deploy as well. It gives me, as the applications are going through their process of deployment, you get to see all the versions of it. So this is a classic example of a cloud native developer keep monitoring an applications and see how exactly they are progressing across different regions, different data centers, and different deployment tools. So just to summarize, this is one of the biggest benefit for the existing and new customers of Release, Deploy, and Argo, where they can not only manage applications but also monitor and view in a single pane of glass all the deployment statuses. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Thank you.